We're going to talk about downloading apps made easy today. So, why downloading apps matters. Apps allow your phone or device to perform specific, useful tasks for everyday life, such as banking, shopping, and managing schedules. Mobile apps helps you stay productive by offering tools for work and communication, keeping you connected with family, friends, and colleagues. From games to transportation and health services, many daily function now depends on apps. So understanding your device type, there's Android and there's Apple or iOS operating system. So devices use either Android or iOS as their operating system. Each has its own app store. Google Play Store for Android and the Apple Store for iOS. And the buttons, icons, and permission requests vary based on the OS. Check your device brand to identify which system it uses. So what you need before downloading. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile internet network for faster, error-free downloads. Ensure you have enough available storage space for the app to install successfully, and then sign in with an app ID for iOS or a Google account for Android to access the App Store. And make sure your operating system is up to date for compatibility with new apps. So now we're going to talk about finding the right app store. So how to use official app stores only, or use official app stores only. So use the official app stores on iPhones or Google Play stores on Android devices. The store icon is typically pre-installed and located on your home screen. Always download from the official store to minimize risk for viruses or scams. And next, we're going to talk about locate the store icon easily. So look for the App Store icon on iPhones. Usually is a blue icon with a stylized A. And then for Google Play Store icon on Android devices, it's a small multicolor triangle. If you can't find it, use your device's search feature to locate the App Store quickly. And now it's browsing versus searching. So for browsing, explore categories like games, health, or top free apps for app recommendations. Discover new and trending apps by scrolling through curated lists. Browsing helps you find apps based on interested areas. And using the search bar. Type the app exact name for faster, precise result. Auto suggestions help find similar apps or fix misspelling instantly. And search bar is ideal when you know the specific app you want to download. So, and then now it's identifying a trusted app. So for the developer information, we should always confirm the app's name and logo match the company you expect to ensure authenticity. And about user ratings and reviews, read app ratings and reviews from other users to gather honest feedbacks about app performance and reliability. And download numbers. So for high download accounts often indicates a trusted, widely used app with a proven track record among users. And then app permissions. So avoid apps with vague descriptions or unusual permissions. And now it's about reading the app description. The app description provides key details about what the app does, who it's for, and who it's for. And look for notes on the in-app purchases or advertisement that may affect your experiences. User rating can show if recent updates have improved or worsened the app's performances. Reading these details helps you make an informed decision and avoid apps that don't fit your expectations. So we're going to talk about how to download on iOS, which is mostly like on Apple phones. And so tap the Get button. Locate the app you want it in the App Store and tap the Get button. And authenticate the download. Verify your identity. Use using Face ID, Touch ID, or by entering your Apple ID password. And mentor download progress. Watch the circle icon fill up on your home screen, indicate the app is downloading and installing on your device, and open and use the app. Once the download is completed, the app icon appears on your home screen, ready for you to open and start using. Now it's about how to download on Android. So also tap install. On the apps page in the Google Play Store, tap the green install button to start. And accept permission is review and accept permission or terms before the installation begins. And download progress. The download starts immediately. Monitor the progress bar and open the app. Is once the download is completed, find its icon on the home screen to start using it. And now we're going to talk about the app permissions. So the apps often ask for access to your camera, location, or contacts to function properly. Only grant permission to that makes sense for the app's purchase. For example, a photo app needs camera access, but a game might not. So you might review the change app permission later in your device's privacy or app settings. And it's also important to keep all the apps updated. So we're going to talk about that too. So the benefits of the updates is regular updates often fix bugs, improve security, and add new tools to enhance app performance. And manual update process is manual update apps in your app store under the update or manage section. And also we need to enable automatic updates. It's really convenient if you enable that. So just turn on automatic updates so your apps always stay current with the latest features. And then the risk of outdated apps. Outdated apps may become unusable, lost compatibility with your device, or be vulnerable to security risks. And here's a video of how to update apps on iPhone. I'm gonna skip this video for now because there's only 2 more slides. And then after I finish all of the slides, I'll come back to this video, if that's okay. So we're gonna talk about downloading paid apps right now. So some apps require an one-time payment or monthly subscription to download or use. And your account must have a linked payment method like a card or PayPal. And prices are nearly listed before you download with optional in-app purchases. And ensure your payment information is up to date to avoid download issues. So in conclusion, use the official app store and check app details carefully before download to minimize risks. And regularly update your apps to benefit from the latest features, security fixes, and performance improvements. Manage storage place by removing unused apps or file, and consider cloud storage for large files. And uninstall or delete apps you no longer need to keep in your device to organize and free up space. Thank you, guys.